The 2027 Toyota Land Cruiser arrives with a bold presence that instantly reminds everyone why this nameplate is legendary, combining rugged heritage with modern luxury and cutting-edge engineering, and from the outside the design looks tougher and more refined at the same time, featuring a wider grille, sharper LED headlights, a muscular hood, and a boxy yet aerodynamic profile that clearly signals off-road dominance while still looking premium on city roads, and the high ground clearance. Flared wheel arches, and strong character lines along the body give it a commanding stance that feels ready for deserts, mountains, and highways alike, while the rear design keeps things clean and powerful with LED tail lamps and a solid tailgate that enhances practicality. And when it comes to performance, the 2027 Land Cruiser is expected to offer a powerful yet efficient engine lineup, most likely including a turbocharged hybrid option that delivers impressive torque for off-road crawling and confident highway cruising, paired with a smooth automatic transmission and an advanced four-wheel drive system that intelligently distributes power to each wheel, making steep climbs, muddy trails, and rocky paths feel effortless. And Toyota's latest suspension setup improves ride comfort without sacrificing durability, so whether you are driving on rough terrain or smooth asphalt, the Land Cruiser remains stable, composed, and comfortable, and the steering feels more precise than before, making such a large SUV surprisingly easy to handle in urban traffic as well, while fuel efficiency is improved compared to older generations thanks to hybrid technology and aerodynamic upgrades, giving drivers more range and fewer fuel stops on long journeys. And inside the cabin, the 2027 Toyota Land Cruiser feels like a true blend of luxury and adventure, with high-quality materials, soft touch surfaces, and premium leather seats that provide excellent comfort and support even on long drives. And the